Are you tired of guessing why your site isn't ranking? Learn how to run a complete site audit in under 3 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to run a site audit using Semrush, from setting up your project to interpreting the results. Start by heading to Semrush folders. Then, press the SEO search button. Now, click on Site Audit. Next, click on the free SEO audit tool to review everything. Go ahead and type in your domain. Once that's done, click on Start SEO Audit. If you've reached the limit, click on Upgrade your plan to Starter to unlock more features. Finally, click on Upgrade to Starter. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.